Virginia cannabis law is often described as legal but not really. Today, we're going to break down exactly what is legal, what is not, and where many Virginians unknowingly cross the line, based strictly on current state law. Since 2021, Virginia has been in a unique legal position. Cannabis possession was decriminalized and partially legalized. But commercial sales were never fully implemented, and enforcement varies by locality. This has created widespread confusion, especially in Norfolk and across Hampton Roads, about what people are actually allowed to do under the law. So, what is legal in Virginia? Under Virginia law, adults 21 and over may possess up to 1 ounce of cannabis. Limited home cultivation is permitted, with strict conditions. Medical cannabis is legal only through the state-regulated medical program. Cannabis use is prohibited in public spaces. Transportation rules still apply, similar to open container laws. None of these permissions extend to selling, gifting with compensation, or unlicensed distribution. What is not legal and often misunderstood? Despite common belief, Virginia does not allow retail cannabis sales outside the medical system, unlicensed pop-up shops or delivery services, gifting cannabis in exchange for payment, tips, or products, public consumption, crossing state lines with cannabis. Many enforcement actions stem from misunderstandings in these exact areas. Who this affects most? This law impacts Virginia residents who assume legalization equals retail access, medical patients navigating compliance rules, property owners and tenants concerned about use on premises, local governments handling zoning and enforcement, visitors who assume Virginia mirrors other legal states. Norfolk and Hampton Roads see particularly inconsistent enforcement, making legal clarity critical. Why this matters right now? Virginia's cannabis framework remains unfinished. Legislative delays, enforcement discretion, and local policy differences mean that what feels legal may still carry legal risk. Understanding the law protects residents from unintentional violations, civil penalties, employment consequences, housing issues. Education, not assumption, is the safest approach. What to watch next, legally framed. In upcoming videos, we'll examine medical cannabis compliance in Virginia, zoning and local enforcement authority, why retail legalization stalled, how localities like Norfolk interpret state law. For deeper discussion, legal breakdowns, and community insight, visit the Norfolk City Cannabis Community. So here we ask you, what part of Virginia's cannabis law do you find most confusing, and why? Put it in the comment and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more information on cannabis law in Virginia. Visit the website and check out all the benefits and resources offered.